Are you looking for to delete custom emoji on iPhone? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, head over to your application notes. Once you're in this page, open your keyboard. You can see the emoji icon at the bottom left corner of the keyboard. Click on it. Now tap on the sticker icon. You will see all of the stickers that you have customized are made. If you want to delete any one of them, all you gotta do is tap and hold the sticker that you want to delete. You can see the option appears, rearrange, edit, and delete. So all you gotta do is click on delete, and there you can see that the custom emoji has been deleted successfully. This way, you can delete any of the custom emoji that you want to, and you can do it anytime you want. So this is simply how you can delete custom emoji on iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.